Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Grammarly for SEO writing and clarity improvements. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, open your web browser. In the address bar, type grammarly.com and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the login button in the upper right corner. If you don't have an account, click on sign up to create one. You can sign up using your email address or through Google or Facebook. After signing up, log in to your Grammarly account. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Upgrade or Get Grammarly Premium button. Click on that button to view subscription options. You will see different plans available, including monthly, quarterly, or annual subscriptions. Review each plan to find the one that suits your needs best. Click on the Choose Plan button next to your preferred option. Next, enter your payment information in the designated fields. Make sure to review your payment details for accuracy. You will receive a confirmation message once your purchase is successful. Return to the Grammarly dashboard to start using premium features. Explore the various tools available for SEO writing and clarity improvements. Now, you're ready to enhance your writing with Grammarly's advanced features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.